All right, next appointment is gonna be something German. Once again, this one's it's gonna be pretty much getting like a service aid, which is pretty much an oil change, multi-point inspection. They do a lot of things. Well, they glorify that they do a lot of things. Oof, look at that Supra. I think I'm on the wrong street, but at the right street at the same time. Just thick. That's got to be like a 98. Damn. I wonder what they're gonna do with that. A really nice neighborhood too. We out here in Grand Prairie. Right here. Hey, how's it going? Good brakes. Good brakes. How you doing?
All right. This is the thing right here, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's full.
Yeah. That's good. Does it ever leak? There's gonna be some dirty oil too. Oil change on that. Multi-point. On this oil change is going to take 7 quarts of some European approved 5W30 or 5W40 oil. Has to be the European approved. What I'm using is Castrol. Damn phone mount fell and cracked in half. So this is what I did. Mechanic. Shit stable too. That's how we recording today, I guess. We're gonna start from the bottom. It's gonna be some 8mm bolts to take that drain pan down, and then the oil pan bolt is probably gonna be a 15. So the sound of a 3.6 starting up. This thing was thirsty. That's good though. That is okay. Definitely hard. I'll be winning the buses. No excuses. Damn it. What's up? I'm not about to be turning this shit all day. Why the screws be falling like directly underneath my bag? All right, it's a little windy today, so I put on some wind blockers. I do not be trying to make a mess. Gonna be getting it from this angle. Look at that. Where as soon as it gets hella windy, right. Minimize the mess. The flavor we added. Euro Max Performance full synthetic. The look-see's under. The exhaust system difference on the diesel. I believe that's a really big catalytic converter. It's all-wheel drive system. Kind of looked like it came from up north. but I could be tripping. It's not too rusty underneath here. On this multi-point inspection, it's one of the things I've found. And usually what that kind of tells me is that there's like some kind of maybe like some signs of some squirrels trying to build a nest. So you always want to protect these wires, let the customer know. Another thing I noticed was behind this pulley system, if you look at the bottom of the water pump, right, let me see if I can zoom in for y'all. Kind of like right there, you see some discoloration. Yeah, right there. It's not an actively leaking water pump, but it's just something to put in the back of their head in case they decide to take any kind of summer road trips. You know, you don't want those kind of issues. But for the most part, everything looks good. Did the oil change on it. Oil was definitely needed. All right, and we are finished. That was a nice one. Very pleasant. Kind of windy. We got it done. Didn't make a mess. It's always good when you're doing an oil change, you know. Take it off these ramps. When you restart or reset the service maintenance light, you have to make sure it's in that odometer section, and then you press the call button, and then I probably wait like less than half a second, and I'll hold down that OK, and it should pop up a menu that says Assist Plus, and you scroll down to that and you clear the service. Oh yes. Take some parking brake. Reverse. Just trying to figure out where exactly that camera is. I could not find it to clean it. But that's okay. That I want, and you can get like 900 miles a tank.
What?
On that diesel engine. Yep.
An A8?
Yep. It's about a 2014, 2015 Audi TDI A8.
That's the sporty one, right?
It's the S8 is the sportier one.
Oh, okay,
Yeah.
okay. All
That's
right.
the fastest.
Okay, all right. I'm like, you about to put out some real money. She might need some. She got a Chevy.
At 3.6. 3.6.
Like it's got a little rumble to it. It might
Yeah.
have to tune up or something.
Okay. Yeah, we can schedule one of those.
Okay.
Yeah. No problem. Have a good day. Will do. On to the next one. Cool client. Cool client. He's telling me about how much he loved that gas mileage on them diesels. And yes, that is definitely one reason to get a diesel. They're pretty reliable because the diesel also acts as a lubricant for inside the engine. That's why these 18-wheelers are able to get up to like 1,000,000 miles and 700,000 miles and whatnot. So probably get, if I had to guess, maybe about 25, 26 on the highway. Nice car.